Hi, I'm Daniel, clinical lead at Treated. Saxenda is a weight loss injection that you can do yourself. The drug in it, Liraglutide, works on receptors in the brain that deal with appetite. It helps you feel fuller for longer. You'll do one Saxenda injection each day, starting on a low dose of 0.6 milligrams. Then gradually increase this by 0.6 every week until week 5, and then you'll carry on at 3 milligrams every day. Because it's an injection, you'll need to keep it in the fridge. Saxenda has been shown to be very effective at helping people lose weight. In fact, it's the most effective weight loss treatment that we prescribe here at Treated, but it doesn't work on its own. You'll need to eat a sensible diet and exercise regularly while you're using it. You can get Saxenda online with us. We've helped thousands of people get the treatment they need, and you'll get access to our expert teams, so you can ask us anything you need to, anytime you like.